Hello and welcome to this update on Cake. I've started using this site beginning of this year. In this video, I would like to show what's new and how my investment is doing. They still offer a $30 sign-up bonus. All you have to do is register by clicking the link in the description. Make a small deposit and you will get $30 in DeFi tokens for free. It's a great offer, so definitely check that out. We already did a video on Cake. If you want to see a deeper dive, watch this video where we go more into detail. In this video, I will go over their 3 products quickly. Let's start with Liquidity Mining. Therefore you need BTC and DeFi tokens. You have an amazing APY on this product, but your payout will be largely in DeFi coins. That's not a bad thing, but ideally, you want to earn your interest in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is king. You can add liquidity with other altcoins such as Ethereum or Litecoin as well. The next product is staking your crypto and join masternode pools. That's one of the products I currently use. I have 73 DeFi tokens staked, and with an APY of 37%, my tokens have been growing nicely over the past 3 months. The last product that I really like is the lending service, formerly called Lapis. They have just changed the name. The interest rates on Bitcoin and Ethereum really got me excited. With 7.5% it is quite high. They offer 8% on US Tether. The rate is fine, but I think there are better options if you want to stake your stable coins. In fact, we just released a video with the best places to stake your stable coins. Watch it later if you are interested. When you join the lending service on Cake, your crypto is locked for 1 month. With 7.5% on Bitcoin, it's still a good trade-off. I have entered the USDT pool now and in the past. But I will add some Bitcoin because that has more value in my opinion. Before I show you my results, there is one thing that is new at Cake. They call it Freezer, where you can lock your DeFi tokens to save on fees. Let's have a look at how much money you can save. I look at the chart and yes, you can save a little bit. I would only consider it if you have a lot of DeFi tokens and got a few to spare. But the savings aren't tremendous enough, to be honest. Let's move on and have a look at my earnings. I have started staking on Cake 3 months ago with a deposit of $1,000. Now my balance is $1,300, which is a great result. One of the reasons why it grew so much is that DeFi tokens were much cheaper 3 months ago. I received $30 worth of DeFi tokens for free, and they have become so much more valuable. So don't forget to claim your free bonus. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing. Let us know about a video topic that you would like to see next.